Greetings, my name is Ms. West. I will be your online instructor for desktop publishing and presentation applications. This week you are encouraged to confirm attendance and take the confirm attendance quiz. Next, you are encouraged to print and read your syllabus and your projected learning schedule in its entirety. You will need to read the welcome message, sign it, and send it as an email attachment to me at twest@albanytech.edu. Finally, you will need to make sure that you introduce yourself by going to Blackboard, Course Content Folder, Module 1, and introduce yourself to your fellow peers and classmates. I look forward to reading your bios and your introduction, and I look forward to working with you all this semester. Thank you, and let's have fun.